Hey, it's me IRSHAD. Today I'm showing you how to create a typography image for your Instagram. Open Lightroom application for editing your image, and you can also get Lightroom for your Android or iOS mobile version. This this is not necessary. You can use any editing app like Snapseed or anything like that. And now import your image into Lightroom. And here is the editing option, and you can control the lighting and contrast and everything in here. And this is the basics, and also you can color correct your image like this. And this is the advanced mode. And if you are not interested in this editing, and you can use your editing by preset. And here is the preset option. You can import preset into Lightroom, and just one tap you can get the beautifully edited images. And here I use this my preset, and done. Now go to, here is the export option, and save to camera roll, and choose the maximum available. Now first step is we are completed, because now use the Over app. This is the application for iOS and Android. You can download from here, Google Play Store or App Store. This is basically, it's a free, and if you want to get more advanced, you can purchase the license. And here is so many templates you can get. If you go to the templates tab, sometimes something is free, or sometimes it's a pro version only. And if you want to create, just click on the plus button and choose your image. And we are ready. Choose your edited image from Lightroom, and here is the image. And if you okay, just tick on the. Now we need to import the graphics. So here is the graphic option, and you can get so many graphics from there online. And just search anything what you want. I just search adventure. You can get the so many adventure related graphics. And this is the sample, and I just change the searching criteria to life. And here is the life. It's a free, so just tick on, and you can import the graphic into your project. Now if you go to the color tab, and you can adjust the color of this graphic, and also you can use the eyedropper for color pick. And also you can get the so many options here. Now we want to adjust this graphic like this. And if you go into the mask option, you can delete your content by masking, and just zoom. And here is the 4 brushes. First brush is you can delete the your layer. And here is a 2 brush, and just before I just delete the layer. And if you are using this brush, you can undo the deleted area. And this is a smooth deleting option, and this is the hard deleting. And so start your work by using this mask brushes, and just delete the area what you want to hide. And also you can the recover tool. Now we just speed up my process. Now use this mask tool, and now your typography photo is ready. And just you can export this photo by clicking here and save to photos. If you go into OK, and you can now your typography photo is okay. You can post in your Instagram or anything, and I hope you enjoy it. If you don't subscribe, please hit on the subscribe button.